Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, October 6. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is calling for private sector support of government's cleanup efforts towards the control and containment of the Chikungunya virus.
I want to appeal to private sector companies that the communities in which they operate, they should partner with the people in the community and assist to clean up those communities.
Mrs. Simpson Miller was speaking on the weekend as she spearheaded cleanup activities in her Southwest St. Andrew constituency. The Prime Minister was joined by Digicel, the Ministry of Health, KSAC, NSWMA and other entities. She welcomed reports that other parliamentarians, including the Leader of the Opposition, would be joining efforts to rid communities of mosquito breeding sites.
I think if we set the example and lay the foundation, it will happen across the country. Because people really love to see their surroundings clean, and we should encourage them to do that, to clean up their surroundings and to keep it clean.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says government will be spending more money to fight the spread of CHIKV. Last Thursday, government announced an additional $150 million allocation, and on Saturday, Minister Ferguson revealed that even more funds would go towards a national cleanup campaign.
This is not the formal big program that we are planning now, because that will be coordinated by the Jeep Secretariat. We await the rollout of the overall national program, which will be coordination with the local authorities, the mayors, led by the mayors, the custodies in parishes, the private sector.
Details of the national cleanup campaign will be unveiled this week. Ground has been broken for the construction of an early stimulation intervention center in Orange Bay, Portland. The center, which will be constructed at a cost of $30 million, is the result of a partnership between the Ministry of Labor and Social Security and the Digicel Foundation. It will accommodate up to 100 special needs students from 0 to 8 years, and 10 teachers will be based at the facility.
We anticipate that with a center permanently located in this community, residents will now benefit fully from the community-based rehabilitation, assessment, counseling, and parenting workshops that will be offered.
The Early Stimulation Intervention Center in Portland forms part of the Early Stimulation program in the Labor Ministry, which caters to children with disabilities. Dolphin sector stakeholders are being given additional time to submit their comments on the Green Paper, which outlines the proposal for the management of the industry. The Green Paper on the Dolphin policy for Jamaica is under revision to be submitted to Cabinet for approval. Speaking at the third stakeholder consultation on the draft policy, Chief Technical Director in the Environment Ministry, Lieutenant Colonel Oral Khan, said all comments would be given serious consideration. The draft policy seeks to address the management of dolphins in Jamaican waters, the trading of dolphins, and the regulation of dolphin attractions. The Green Paper on the policy may be accessed from public libraries as well as the website of the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change and NEPA's web portal. And finally, with the environment being the natural foundation on which Jamaica's economy is built, the Finance Ministry is playing its role in the climate change campaign. A team headed by the Director General participated in National Tree Planting Day activities last Friday on the Finance Ministry's compound.
The significance of planting this blue maho tree is to assist in climate change, to arrest the degradation of the environment. Eventually it has an effect on the economy in terms of degradation, and we think it's very important that we maintain the climate and therefore maintain the economic productivity of the country.
National Tree Planting Day was observed on October 3 under the theme Adapting to Climate Change, Secure Our Future, Plant a Tree Today. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.